Hello, welcome back to my channel. We have a $5 scratch card ticket here from Michigan Lottery named Blizzard Bucks, and you could win up to $500,000. Bonus box reveal a 10, 20, or 50 prize symbol in any of the bonus box spot. Win that prize instantly. There are three of them. And then for this game, the Blizzard game, have to match any of our numbers to any of the Blizzard numbers. Win prize shown below that number. Gives no symbol, win prize automatically, and 10 times win 10 times that prize. Win 10 times that prize. Alright. Should we start with the bonus and find a $10 symbol right here? $10, $20, $20, $20 or 50, $10, 20 or 50. We got a 10. We want $10 on this bonus box. Yay! Blizzard box. We want $10. We want 10. Sweet, thank you. Alright, we'll reveal all the Blizzard numbers. Reveal all the Blizzard numbers. And we'll see. $321, 16, 820. This ticket is worth $5. We need a 16, 27. We need a 21, 20, 16, 8, and 3. 30. 28. Oh, we need a 20 and then an 8. Not a 28. 20 and 8. And next. 4. We needed a 3. And 24 needed a 21. And 26. We need 16 and 21. 7, a 3. Alright, next. 16. We won 16, and that is a $5. 16. That's $5, and we won a 10. Thank you. Next. 29. Next. 16, 19. 2. Yep. We want 2 on here. We have the 16, our Blizzard number 16, and we had our number 16. And then we want a $10 on the bonus. We revealed the 10, so we have 2 claimers on this. Thank you for watching. This is a $5 Blizzard box from Michigan Lottery. Thank you for watching. Have a good night and happy scratching.